Hello, my name is Steven, and I'm here to introduce you to the EasyCap capping machine, one of the many machines we offer here at ReliaPack. ReliaPack is a company dedicated to offering affordable, reliable, and efficient equipment for all your tabletop bottling needs. Now on to the capper. When we were designing a tabletop capper, we were looking for something that was both durable and easy to use. A lot of other cappers out there tend to be complicated and tedious to operate. This machine, however, is very well designed and straightforward, easy to use, and will likely not run into the same issues of other cappers that you see in its category. This machine is rated to do up to 24 bottles per minute and can accommodate bottle sizes up to 16 inches tall and 5 inches in diameter. For cap sizes, it can do a range of caps from 10 millimeters to 50 millimeters in size. This machine has excellent and straightforward adjustability, allowing a user to quickly change over from different bottle sizes and different cap sizes. This capper can be outfitted with a push button, or it can be outfitted with a foot pedal, depending on preference, to initiate the cap sequence. We hope you enjoyed this brief demonstration of all of the capabilities that the EasyCap capping machine is capable of. For more information, please go to our website at www.reliapack.com, or you can click the link in the description below, or you can call us at 843-733-7535. We hope you have a wonderful day.